Hello friends, myself Manisha Bhaskar Rao Sakre from CSMSS College of Polytechnic, Kanchanwadi, Aurangabad. We see some examples of trigonometric ratios. Prove that sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b equal to cos square b minus cos square a. Solution LHS sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. And we know that sine of a plus b equal to sine a cos b plus sine b cos a, and sine of a minus b equal to sine a cos b minus sine b cos a. Therefore, LHS equal to, in first bracket, sine A cos B plus sine B cos A. In second bracket, sine A cos B minus sine B cos A. And we know that in first bracket, A plus B. In second bracket, A minus B equal to A square minus B square. Therefore, sine A into cos B whole square minus sine B into cos A whole square. Separate the power, that is sine square A into cos square B minus sine square B into cos square A. And also we know that the fundamental identities 1 minus cos square A equal to sine square A, and we replace sine square A equal to 1 minus cos square A. Therefore 1 minus cos square A into cos square B minus 1 minus cos square B into cos square A, and we multiply cos square B in first bracket and second bracket cos square A, that is cos square B minus cos square A into cos square B minus cos square A plus cos square A into cos square B. Therefore cos square B minus cos square A, and therefore LHS. We see some examples of trigonometric ratios. If tan of x plus y equal to 1 by 2 and tan of x minus y equal to 1 by 3, find tan of 2x. Solution: tan of 2x equal to tan of x plus y plus second bracket x minus y. And we know that formula tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. Using this formula, tan of 2x equal to tan of x plus y plus tan of x minus y upon 1 minus tan of x plus y into tan of x minus y. And given that tan of x plus y equal to 1 by 2 and tan of x minus y equal to 1 by 3. So put this value in above equation, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. And in numerator cross multiplication, that is 3 plus 2 by 6 upon 1 minus 1 into 1 1, 2 into 3 6, that is equal to 5 by 6. And in denominator cross multiplication, 6 minus 1 by 6 equal to 5 upon 5 equal to 1. We will study some examples of trigonometric ratios. Evaluate without using calculator tan 85 degree minus tan 40 degree upon 1 plus tan 85 degree into tan 40 degree. Solution: we know that tan of a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. Therefore tan 85 degree minus tan 40 degree upon 1 plus tan 85 degree into tan 40 degree equal to tan of a minus b, that is tan of 85 degree minus 40 degree. Therefore equal to tan of 45 degree, and we know the value of tan 45 equal to 1. Therefore tan 85 degree minus tan 40 degree upon 1 plus tan 85 degree into tan 40 degree equal to 1. We will study some examples of trigonometric ratios. Evaluate without using calculator. Prove that cos 21 degree minus sin 21 degree upon cos 21 degree plus sin 21 degree equal to tan of 24 degree. LHS equal to cos 21 degree minus sin 21 degree upon cos 21 degree plus sin 21 degree. dividing throughout equation by cos 21 degree. Therefore, LHS equal to 1 minus sin 21 degree upon cos 21 degree upon 1 plus sin 21 degree upon cos 21 degree. Therefore, LHS equal to 1 minus sin upon cos equal to tan, that is tan 21 degree upon 1 plus tan 21 degree. LHS equal to 1 minus tan 21 degree upon 1 plus 1 into tan 21 degree. And we know that the value of tan 45 degree equal to 1. Therefore, LHS equal to tan 45 degree minus tan 21 degree upon 1 plus tan 45 degree into tan 21 degree. And we know the formula, tan of A minus B equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. LHS equal to tan of 45 degree minus 21 degree equal to tan of 24 degree. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. We will see some examples of trigonometric ratios. Prove that sin alpha cos of beta minus alpha plus cos alpha sin of beta minus alpha equal to sin beta. Solution. LHS equal to sin alpha cos beta minus alpha plus cos alpha into sin of beta minus alpha. We know that formula is sin of A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus sin B cos A. Therefore, LHS equal to sin of alpha plus beta minus alpha, and therefore plus alpha minus alpha cancel. Therefore, LHS equal to sin beta, LHS equal to RHS.